one more example here, and we want to be real careful what we're going to do because here's a trap. Basically set a trap for you. And if we don't remember a small detail from before, we might just jump right into that trap. So ready to jump in? Let's jump in together. Root -3 times root -5. Well, we should be able to multiply the insides, all underneath one root, and that's going to equal the square root of 15, because -3 times -5 equals the square root of 15. Now, if we did that, we jumped into the trap, because this product rule does work, but it only works over the course of real numbers. It doesn't work when we deal with the complex numbers, something that involves a negative involved. So rather, I'm going to put a big ol' scratch through that says, no, we can't do that. So put that into your heads. We can't do this when we deal with negative numbers inside the radical. So what do we do instead? Well, let's rewrite each one. Oops, sorry, is it -1? Let's write each one with their -1. So let's pull that out. So this is going to be an I root 3 times an I root 5. Then from there, we can multiply. We can multiply the roots together, which will give me a root 15. And I can multiply the i's. I times I is an I squared. And we remembered from before, an I squared is a -1. So this can be rewritten as -1 root 15, or just simply negative root 15. Notice I get a different result than I did earlier. Before, it was just root 15. Doing it correctly, because I understand that I'm working underneath a complex plane, I get a negative root 15. That's going to trip us up a couple of times, so I hope it does, to the point that you can understand when this works under real numbers and when it doesn't work under complex numbers, how to solve it so that it happens on our homework we make our mistakes, not on an exam or our quizzes.